So lads, unfortunately I didn't get to record the trade live. I can't let stress. I had to run straight away somewhere after the trade, and I'll be real, I forgot, man. Forgive me, guys. Anyways, point is, we came in with a bullish bias. Higher time frames were saying, let me just take off these drawings, off a bullish daily fair value gap, off a bullish 4-hour fair value gap, and we touched the order block plus a break block. 1 hour was bearish, I'm not gonna lie. We were stuck inside this bearish fair value gap even up until 8-9. We closed above it, and then so why was we, yeah, it was a bit techie because 9 was US 100 was heavily inside, consolidating inside this bearish 1 hour fair value gap, but I went with the higher time frame, and so we knew we were going to be bullish. However, not gonna lie, let me just recording because I was just recording for like 2 minutes and it wasn't. Let me just show you a lot of my drawings. This is 100 drawings. This is the daily fair value gap. We came off it. This is the 1 hour inverse turned into inverse. However, US didn't turn into an inverse until like 10. I thought we were going to be heavily bearish, but let me show you the trade I took, because there was no sell side liquidity that got swept. But let me show you, look. So, oh yeah, look, let me show you, look, what a flipping vibe, man. You're not going to laugh at me. Let me just show you quick the trade. So, we were looking for a macro or 9:45. Well, after 9:30, we looked for, see how price is reacting, if it's gonna go higher or lower. At first, we made a, did we make an SMT? No, it wasn't, I think. Why is my computer bugging now, man? Yeah, we did make an SMT, so I thought, yeah, we're definitely gonna go higher. Or did it? Anyways, I wasn't taking the trade because it wasn't inside. I was looking for longs, so I was waiting for a sell side liquidity sweep. Didn't happen. Here, I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna enter here. 100% I was gonna enter. I was gonna enter off this fair value gap, put the stop loss either here or here. Let's be real, I probably would have been a bit scared and put it here maybe, or here. Anyways, let's just say we put it here and target these highs. I was gonna go for, actually no, let's be real, but I would have taken probably 8% here or here. I don't know. We're speaking theoretically. I'm gonna get to this soon. Don't watch. The only reason I didn't take it was because there wasn't a strong, like, indication of a market structure shift. Because this is just, I don't like taking, like, I call these V, whatever you wanna call it. It's just a straight V, down, up. Usually I like to wait for a down, up, down. Then this will be the market structure shift. So I was hesitant on entering here. Yeah, I would have probably closed off here. Still a nice 1 to 1.5 kind of meaty, not gonna lie. Yeah. Anyway, so we said nah. Then we were like, hold on. Cause wait, this is now 850. Yeah, it was the SMT, yeah. So I'm thinking, yeah, oh my days, actually I could have actually taken this up. Why did I not take it? Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, but ADHD fam or whatever it is. Nah, joke, I ain't got that. It was the market structure shift that put me off. There was no strong, clear market structure shift, because I think I took this trade like 2 days ago and it flopped. So I was like, cool, let me wait. Then we did take out this clear liquidity up here. Boom. I didn't realize, yeah, we even respected this 15-minute fair value gap, bearish. And I was like, you know what? Cool. Price was chilling. Nice displacement. Market structure. This is the type of market structure I like. I mean, it is kind of similar. But look, what's a stronger even more of an A+ setup, yeah, is that this was inside the fair value gap. This swing low, actually you could say that, is it really swing low? Not really, but This low here was inside the fair value gap. So on top of that, we get confirmation. Boom, with this candle here, create a fair value gap. Down, created another one. This one was a breakaway gap. I was gonna say this is maybe a breakaway gap, but this could have been a 50-50. As you can see, it did tap, and then, I mean, it tapped in here, then came down, whatever. But then, yeah, boom, we waited, tapped me in. Actually, it took me up it took me up here, actually, because of the spread. So it took me up here. Nice. My original TP was, I think, either here or here. I think it was here. Anyways, cool. Boom, we came down. Was inside this fair value gap. I'm thinking, it's resisting there too much. So I took like 7. I had 40 lots on. I took 30. So I did take a lot of. Actually, did I? Yeah, I did. I did take a lot off. Then I kept one runner running, and I was just chilling. And I was like, you know what? It's gonna go back up. It's respecting it. Let me not be greedy. Let me just take some profit. I closed it here. We risked 700. We came out with 650, so it was like a 1-to-1. And then, yeah, we saw it up here. And then we're thinking, yeah, see, alhamdulillah, we took off our profits, whatnot. Little did we know, this is like the 5th, 20th time but this has happened, bro. At first, I put my stop loss break even. But I was like, you know what, nah, let me close profits. Then I put it back to my original. Then I said, nah, let me just close it. Let me just close it. So I closed it. It doesn't even hit my TP, bro. I even checked C-Trader. It didn't even get close to it. Oh my days. Boom. Here, look at that. What's this one? I think this is a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Well, originally, I can't lie. I probably would have held until one of these. But that's, I should have marked this actually. Anyways, point is, this is the trade. I'm gonna put up a screenshot of the trade. I was meant to do this as a face. This one meant to be a face. This one meant to be a face video. Whatever you wanna call it. Whatever you wanna call it. I'll do that for the next one tomorrow. Actually, when I get a trim, actually. But Saturday, inshallah. This was the trade. It was a nice trade. So yeah, we got tapped in here. Someone, let's put here. Came down here. Boom. Oh, so why did we end up going bearish? Why were we bearish? Why did we take a short, not a long? Because after this, like I said, whoa, yeah, why did I not take a long? Oh yeah, because it wasn't going any higher. So we took out these highs on ES as well. Well, US 500, but anyways, we took out all the highs. Feel this. This was an imbalance. Avoid the high time frame. Yeah, on the 1 hour. Took out Asia high, so it was a significant high. Was it? Yeah, it was a significant. No, it wasn't. My bad. Oh yeah, it was. It was a significant high and an imbalance. So I was like, you know what? We could be going lower. So I can't lie. It was a not risky because I did wait for my setup, but this could have gone wrong because this could have just easily. I've never used this tool. Where is it? I see people use it. Our point is, it could have just gone down here, fill this in, then gone back up. But I said, nah, like it should have been going up anyways. It shouldn't be chilling. It shouldn't even touch this fair value. This should have been a breakaway gap. But then we came down, boom, and then alhamdulillah, like my psychology was a bit better. As you can see, did not touch TP, bruh, again, yeah. So yeah, that was a trade, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, inshallah. Email, like, subscribe, all of that. Yeah, love.